Good morning, my name is Brian Johnson. I would like to talk about the marvellous dashboard the boys made for the, in particular I'd like to give a great clap to both Paul and Trade for Fun. They've done a fantastic job. There's no question about it. This is a great dashboard. It's a focus list where you focus on the prices and you can focus on which currency looks good for you at the moment to trade. In the trading of the 3-1 is for me the engine of the whole system. The 3-1 is the engine for the whole system. And why do I say that? This is taught in economic schools, in some economic schools, that when this goes zero is a major change happening over the whole 14 currencies, is a change happening, trend change on the 14 currencies. It could be a continuation of the same trend or a reversal of a trend. At the moment we're looking at a -9 on the trend. It is -9, so there's nothing happening yet until that goes zero. When these three go into profit and you're in that particular mode, that is when you should take profit. It will only exist for a moment because one is out of sync with the other two, always. Only at the occasion when they all go in sync, that is the time of taking profit of those three. These three offer one of the low risk of all lots. It actually offers the lowest downside of all. And in particular, if you're using the swap interest buy, and that means buy on the three, you have an added advantage, is at least while you're in a small down loss, you're earning interest on your investment, which is an important part. You can see straight away on here, Euro Great British Pound pays interest, Euro US Dollar pays interest, 2.1. Not big interest, but they're paying you interest on the money while you can be in a drawdown. This is an important factor. If you've been following the spreadsheet, you'll find most of the time the lowest drawdown is the 3 US dollar, the Great British Pound US Dollar, the Euro Great US Dollar, and the Euro Great GBY. It also, if you notice that any particular time, at any particular time, this also has the lowest drawdown value of all the three currencies, of all the currencies. And you'll also notice at any particular time that says short on the basket and the hedge is short. So when this goes zero and it goes +2 or +3, it's an ideal time to quickly look at your basket, see where your short is in relation to the basket, and look at putting a buy on if it's +3. We're only looking at the positive side. Some people might like to follow the shorting, but I like to stay with the longs, where at the worst stage, if something happens, and unless the currencies like they are now are under threat, one should look at trading with the least risk, and the 3-1 is about the least risk at the moment before the rollover. This is why I say the 3-1 is also, if this goes plus or minus, the basket is showing the same. So it's a very strong indicator for your total basket strategies, and you can see that on this too. Okay, once again I want to reiterate that this dashboard is really a focus list for you to focus on your currency. You obviously, when you're buying for a swap interest, you want the lowest amount of pips over the 5.9. You want to be able to have room to move. It may go up, but we like to back the best long position and buy at the lowest low that we can. All the time we're looking at these three figures, which are showing you that currently the weekly, the daily, and now price. It's a pity we haven't got a monthly in, which would be the opening of the month. But however, this is a very, very good system, and I congratulate the boys for offering it. Always remember, there's no right or wrong way to trade the system, but this is zero is the basis of the system. You can apply it to any group you like, and remember, when any time the three go into profit, they're a little bit out of sync with each other. Notice in a group is generally one out of sync with the other. The amigos is a bit of a funny bunch, but the rest of them are pretty well saying that there usually is one or two out of sync. When they all go into sync, one should take profit. Okay, remember, this dashboard is only showing you the trend of the market, when a likely trend is going to change. I think the 3-1 is one you want to keep a close eye on, and of course the core basket is well understood by most multi-currency traders trading 101 system. This is a low risk multi-currency strategy here, with always one or two out of sync with the other. Only when the whole three are in sync, that's when you can take the maximum profit. But at any time it's showing a profit, liquidate and take the profit. Bye for now from Brian. God bless you.